Oh, oh. Supposed to do work, but this cat is always here. Like, play first with them before I do my work. Another one is sleeping. Mm, mm. So what should I do? I cannot finish the work that I must be done because this totally naughty babies. Ito ano? I open. Supposed to be the parcel. It's a grocery. Kasi hindi na kami lumalabas para mag-grocery. Okay. I think this is enough. I need to do the work. How can I finish it? Everybody's waiting for me that I play with them. Eh, ang papa isa. Ano lang with siya kay sa inyo button. Oh, isa oh. Oh. Lagi. Umana. Finish. Go away there. Go away. I need to open this. I need to open the box. Hoy. Kanina naman pong isa nagsigig-pigid-pigid. Hoy. Go na. Go. I open the box. I open the box. Ano battery? Yung battery na naman. Sige na, bagay na. Paano ko ma-open yan? Nandyan ka. Oo. Pum. Na? Nandyan. Nababay na. Hello.